Hello everyone, welcome to Elliottwave.com YouTube channel. Today is June the 17th and the chart of the day for today is AMD. Here is a 60 minutes time frame here. So you can see AMD continue to rally and make a higher high and higher lows since it bottoms back in back in April the 9th. Right, as you can see, making higher high, higher low. So I'm just copying this with 4, with 1, with 2 in the 4 hour here. This is 4, 1, 2 that we see in the 1 hour time frame. So we're currently extending higher within with 5 in blue, intermediate degree. Within with 5, we subdivided into 5 waves. So we got with 1, with 2, and then now extending higher to finish 3, 4, and then 5 in the minor degree here. And then once the minor degree with 5 is complete, that will also complete with 5 in the intermediate. Okay, so shorter cycle, we could still see more upside. Now if you just simply look at this short-term structure here, it sort of doesn't look complete. That 5 waves doesn't look completed, so therefore we can say that I think we should be looking for at least one more leg up, if not 2 more legs up, because we need a 4 and a 5 in the minor degree as well. Alright, so overall then, shorter cycle, we still can see a bit more upside, but the medium term, we are getting close to finish with 5 in blue. Now again, if I zoom out on the 4 hour time frame, so this is 1, 2 in the minor degree, like we saw in the 1 hour. Right, this 1, 2, and then this is the 4 in blue here. So if we try to complete the structure, then that means this is the 3 in blue, and then the 1 and the 2 in blue should be somewhere right here. Okay, so since we bottom in April the 9th, notice here how many swings do we have so far. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we broke above with 3 already, so we got a 5 swing already. So again, the 5 swing rally from the April the 9th, technically speaking, favors the bulls because of the 5, right? 5 ways up, so it favors the bulls. Now within with 5, then we have this subdivision here so far that looks incomplete. That's what we saw in the 1 hour, and we can see a bit more upside like this, and then again there it's okay to have an overlap with that because it's within with 5. Then you will be ending 5 in blue. Now once we end the 5 in blue, we can get a bigger pullback to correct this entire rally, right? Something like this, like a 1, 2, 3, like this. However, because we do have a confirmed 5 waves from April 9 low, then even if we do get eventually this bigger pullback, which will happen sooner or later, then it still favors the bulls because of the 5 swing up from here. This pullback likely is going to be corrective in nature, and then once it is complete, we can then go higher again. Okay, so that's the idea in the medium term, while in the short term, we could still see more upside very simply to finish with 5 in blue. But if you are more like a medium term person, then it is already at the time when you should not keep pressing the gas, right, the accelerator. You don't press the accelerator anymore because you know with 5 is nearby, right? We're gonna be ending it very soon, and then we'll have a pullback first before the next leg up. And what you should not try to do is, in my opinion, you should not try to pick the high, because we do have a 5 ways from here. So don't try to be smart and trying to pick the high and you know exactly where in the high, because you don't know where the high is, right? So wait, because of the 5 ways confirmed to be favoring the bulls, and therefore I think from the from that perspective, it is better to buy the dips when we do get a pullback rather than trying to pick the top and try to sell. Okay, so that's the idea here. And as always, if you want to get further updates on the on AMD or any other stock or ETF, you can always check our service, right? We do have trial. So here is our website. We do have trial here. You can go to our website, which I will provide the link in the description of the video, and then you can go to start 14 days trial if you are new members. And if you are someone that wants to know what kind of plans available after the trial, you can go to the plans and pricing to check the different plans we have, and also in the different pricing, it has a different service that you get here. You can read all the differences there between silver, gold, platinum, diamond. And lastly, we have educational classes as well. If you are completely new and you just want to learn first on Elliott Wave, then you can check the different classes we offer here. Alright, so that's the update for today. I'll see you guys again next time, and have a nice day, everyone.